Hi guys, this is an unboxing from Tiki. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I just got it delivered. I'm out and about right now, so I couldn't wait to open it till when we get home. So let's open them together. Let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, don't mind my little tiny baby scissors. So I grabbed this because I was watching, what's his name, Tanner from Leathertane, and he was rating a handbag that's made in China, and this is supposed to be a really good quality, and all of his ratings were impressive, like four plus on craftsmanship and all that stuff. So let's take a look. And this is Togo leather for less than 500 US dollars. So let me put my phone down. Let me see if I can do that. Put my phone down so I can take it out of the box. Hold on. Oh, I can take it out of the box like this. Oh, that's nicely packaged. Right. There we go. Nice dust bag. Okay. One-handed. Come in. I haven't done this in a while. Oh. Ooh. Here's the color. And it's evening, late afternoon sun. Let's take out the paper, all of it. Look forward to this. Oh, here, look, it comes in a little tiny, it's like a little sister. There's people parking behind me. Look. So cute. I like the two-tone with the stitches. Oh man, the leather's so nice. And the inside. Let me take this out a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's really pretty. And look, these look like little tiny pearls. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's where you can put pockets there. So just different designs. Can do it and put these two together. Let's do that. Oh man. This is really hard doing this one-handed. How do I do this? Okay. Anyway, you get the idea. So it's like that. Or you can put these together. It looks like 2 bags in one, doesn't it, with the design? There you go. And with the long, it's got the strap here somewhere. Oh, here's the strap. Pardon my car. There we go. It's very cute. I like it. Alright, I'll let you know with the updates after I've used it for a little bit, for a little while. It looks like I need to put in an insert or just some stuff inside because it's quite malleable at the moment. But so far, the material looks amazing, and the craftsmanship is quite impeccable. Okay, I'll see you guys later.